Well, good afternoon, folks. Welcome to another day in Langkawi. Currently, it's just early afternoon, 1 o'clock-ish, and I'm starting my day. Well, my day started really early. Had breakfast, but I didn't really do anything besides surf the net, and the battery is dead. Be right back. The battery should have done that a little bit earlier, but yeah, like I said, it's just currently after lunch, or around 1:30. I'm heading over to the fish and chips place to grab some chicken wings and grab a drink. Since it's my last day, just gonna splurge a little bit, not that much. But yeah, this is last day. Just gonna fly the drone a little bit and then chill on the beach for a while and get a tan on, get a little bit darker. But other than that, that is pretty much the day. Go back to the room and then pack, and then that's it. Tomorrow I have an early morning, and it'll be another transit day, full transit day to Kota Kinabalu, and yeah, lots of fun. Good times. Currently it's pretty quiet. Today's a Monday, nothing going on at the beach, and well, it's a little bit more people than normal. Surprisingly, the weekend there wasn't that much, but today there's a little bit more people swimming, a little bit more people just bathing, so good times. People. Yo, what's up, everyone? Just chilling here, watching the rain, listening to the sound of rain just pounding. First time seeing this much rain in Langkawi. It's actually pretty nice. I managed to fly the drone earlier, went to a couple of islands, and almost did not make it back. Ran out of juice, like with 5 minutes left, so I managed to get it back. So it's still charging, but I wanted to fly it one more time for the sunset, but the clouds kind of rolled in and there's no sunset gonna happen tonight. Never know, maybe. Usually after a rainstorm, the sunsets are pretty vibrant, but let's see how long this rain lasts. It's supposed to. I just looked at the forecast, and it said it's not gonna end till 10, so I don't know. But now I'm thinking about dinner, which is somewhere that way near the beach, and it is raining, and I don't want to go there. I was planning to go early to avoid the mosquitoes and bugs. I guess that's not going to happen. If this rain doesn't let up, probably not going to eat. Yeah. Mosquitoes are pretty bad here. But anyhow, I'm just gonna chill a little bit longer, enjoy the rain, the sound of rain, and that's it for today. Tomorrow's a travel day, like I mentioned before. Heading to Kota Kinabalu, and looking forward to some dives there. Maybe 6 dives in total, not sure, but depending how much money I have left, it'll determine how many dives I'm gonna do. But yeah, minimum 6 at least. So Anyhow, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Ciao.